Looking to add a touch of comfort and style to your bathroom? The 100% Cotton Pebble Bath Runner promises plush softness underfoot, turning any bathroom into a cozy retreat. Its pebble pattern adds a subtle, elegant texture that complements a wide range of decor styles, while the lightly sprayed latex backing keeps it firmly in place. No slipping, no sliding, just peace of mind. I first discovered this bath runner during a bathroom remodel back in 2017. We had just installed a jetted tub, and I wanted something that would tie together the creamy beige tiles and nickel fixtures. The warm and cool neutral tones of this rug fit perfectly, creating a seamless look that felt both inviting and refined. After 5 years of daily use, the original runner started showing wear. I hunted down the exact same rug to replace it, which says a lot about how much I trusted its quality and design. One thing to keep in mind: the size and plushness of this rug make washing a bit tricky. Early on, I washed it frequently in the machine, which wore it down faster and even strained our washer. Appliance experts later advised against machine washing bath mats regularly, suggesting a simple hose-off instead. But if you prefer machine washing, switching to a delicate cycle and monitoring the washer balance can extend the rug's life while protecting your machine. With this care, you can expect your bath runner to stay soft, vibrant, and secure for years. What you get with this bath runner is more than just a floor covering. It's a blend of comfort, style, and safety. Made in India with machine-tufted 100% cotton, it's soft yet durable. The anti-skid latex backing means you don't have to worry about slips, making it ideal for busy bathrooms or homes with kids. Plus, it coordinates beautifully with the Pebbles 2-piece bath rug set, so you can complete the look effortlessly. If you're ready to upgrade your bathroom with a rug that feels as good as it looks, this Cotton Pebble Bath Runner is worth a look. Its timeless design and practical features deliver real value: comfort underfoot, secure placement, and colors that enhance your space. Try it when you're ready, and enjoy a more relaxing, stylish bathroom experience.